In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to book a flight ticket online on Ryanair. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the process of booking a flight through Ryanair online. You will be able to do this on the website at ryanair.com regardless of your region, or download the latest version of their mobile app, whatever you prefer. For this video, I'm going to show you how to do it on the website. So in here, all that you have to do is using their flights search function, you can choose between a return trip, one way, and then of course apply a promo code. So choose whichever one you prefer, and now you have to set up the origin country and the destination. So pick any of these from this list. You will see the airports at the right whenever you select a country, and the same thing for the destination. You can sort it by destinations per country, regions, or popular attractions if you aren't sure. So pick whichever one you prefer. Once you pick the origin and the destination, you will see three more things that you have to set up. If you have a return trip, you will be able to set up the departure and the return date. If you have a one-way, this is going to differ. You will only have the departure date. So go ahead and choose these accordingly. You can choose between exact dates, meaning that you can only travel on these exact dates, or flexible dates, which might give you better prices and deals. So if you are flexible, consider using the secondary option. So once you have selected the appropriate departure and return date, you can set up the amount of passengers. So you have adults, teens, children, and infants. Make sure that you go over this process carefully. All of this will be verified later, and you will have to confirm the contact information for everyone who you input here. So adults are considered 16 years or older, teens between 12 and 15, children between 2 and 11, and infants for anyone under 2 years old. So choose them accordingly, click done, make sure that you tick this box, that you agree with the terms of use, and search. You can change some filters later, but for the most part, everything will be tailored to whatever you selected there. So you can sort them by price, departure, duration, and so on. You can see various options, and then once you select any of these, and if you have a return flight, select that as well, choose the fare that you want to use, and finally, you will be able to set up seats, bags, extras, and review and pay. Because this contains a lot of personal information, I won't be able to show you this full process on screen, but you will be able to continue directly to the website, and it is very intuitive. You will receive all of your booking information once this process is done, and you can manage it through your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to book a flight ticket online Ryanair. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.